Welcome to this tutorial on installing and setting up the Hopsoft TP-Link Camera driver. This guide assumes your camera is already set up and connected to your local network. Download the TP-Link drivers, add them to Composer, and search for the TP-Link Camera driver to add it to your room. Once installed, enter your username, password, and camera IP address. If the credentials are correct and the camera is accessible, the camera status will display logged successfully, along with the camera type and firmware details. To verify that everything is working correctly, check your license. Basic settings allow you to change the stream. If the camera is connected to a TP-Link NVR, the NVR stream can be used. Otherwise, only the camera stream is available. You can also switch between the main and minor camera streams. If the camera supports PTZ, the PTZ speed can be adjusted from 1% to 100%. The driver also creates an event server to capture events from the camera. The Camera Functions section displays supported features and allows configuration. The Stream Configuration section lets you adjust both main and minor stream settings. It is recommended to use H.265 codec and optimize stream quality based on the overall system performance. If UI stream quality is insufficient, try lowering the frame rate, bit rate, and resolution. Camera UI presets can be configured based on the camera's presets or customized for ease of use. There are 3 preset types. Button preset, which creates a relay and button connection to control other devices from the camera UI. Camera Functions preset, which provides quick access to camera features such as night vision mode, and camera presets, which include camera-obtained presets like Quick Park. The driver automatically uses the NVR camera connection when the camera is linked to an NVR. Contact sensors are triggered by specific camera events. The button link and relay connection work with the preset button created earlier. Actions section include rebooting the camera, reading camera presets, and creating or deleting the event server. Programming events allow for monitoring camera events and tracking changes to the last event message. Available actions include standard PTZ commands, camera presets, and other device-specific functions. Driver variables contain the last event string variable, which stores the description of the most recent event. When an event occurs, it can be accessed in the History agent in Composer or through the camera UI history. To receive notifications with snapshots, create a push notification in the Push Notification agent, select the appropriate category and severity, and insert a subject. To include a screenshot, set TP-Link Event Snapshot as an attachment. Add TP-Link Last Event as a variable for event details. Save the notification and link it to a specific event, such as motion detection. Control4 Foresight is required for notifications, and TP-Link camera notifications must be enabled on each device. The camera preview in the UI displays the live stream. If the camera supports PTZ, clicking the screen edges moves the camera in the respective direction. Zoom in and out using the bottom right and bottom left corners respectively, or use classic PTZ controls. Now let's see our previously created presets. When button clicked, set command is sent to relay and button link connection. We can try also turn on night mode and choose pre-programmed camera preset. In options, settings section is available where you can find all camera functions. So let's turn night vision mode back off and change stream to minor to see quality difference. For more information and expert support, visit hopsoft.com.au or contact support at hopsoft.com.au. We're here to help every step of the way.